Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I have a cool technique to show you today. This is cropping up on Instagram and Pinterest and Facebook and everywhere, and it is called the veil technique or veil nails. So this is 5 that I've done. Now I did this one yesterday and I popped it up on Instagram and Facebook and asked if anyone would like a tutorial, and everybody said yes, so that is what you're getting. So simple technique, it can be used over a base of regular polish or gel polish, and I am going to be doing gel polish, and then you create the veil with regular polish. Okay, so for the technique itself, you need room temperature water, so the same as you would use for water marbling. Now I've tried a few tools for this technique. I've tried orange wood sticks, I have tried dotting tools, I've tried pins. What I've actually found works the best are Q-tips or cotton buds. First of all, they need to be wet. So I actually soak these thoroughly before I start and then just leave them to one side. So make sure they are wet, otherwise the polish is going to stick to them and it's just going to go just revolting. So give your polish a good shake. I'm using a dark coloured polish this time. I'm using Merlot from, what is this from? La Palme. So it's one of their polishes that matches their gel polishes. One drop into the water and one drop only, and I will explain why. The silver polish over the black that I showed you at the beginning of the video, I did 3 drops and it's gluggy and it takes the effect away. So you only want 1 drop, otherwise your effect just looks like a big splodgy mess. So your polish will separate as it would do with water marbling, and then just to speed it up a little bit, you can blow on the water, which I'm doing now. So any weird noises, that's what I'm doing. Now the technique, this is where your fine tuning comes in. You don't want it to be too dry on the water and you don't want it to be too wet. So I'm saying 15 to 20 seconds, and then you go in with your cotton buds, and then I always dip them again before I start, and then you just push your polish in and then very gently move it away. If it's too soon, it will stick and you'll just pull the whole lot out. If it's too late, this effect gets a little bit crunchy looking. I always seem to create the same pattern, so I'm going to try and... No, that's the same pattern as I always do. All right, we're going to go with that. So that is what I like the looks of. So I'm going to get my white Colourpop, and I'm literally just going to... I'm going to try and do the top and the bottom. So you plonk it in, and then I just turn it over and pull it back out. And that, you can see already, is absolutely stunning. Now what I do at this point is I press down on it, because if you see from the side, that is kind of lumpy, and that was a lot more lumpy before I pressed it. So just very gently press it with your finger, and then that is the effect that you've got. Now I'm going to go in again and do another bit down here, because obviously this is huge and you can fill a lot more detail in on that, and I'll be back in a sec. We are going to top coat. Now I am using the Gel Bottles rubber top coat because it's thicker and it just gives you an absolutely perfect ultra smooth surface. You can top coat twice with a regular gel polish top coat, or you can encapsulate. So I am going to top coat on screen so you can see. So it's not lumpy now, it's pretty smooth. Okay, so that's all finished, and you can see that the rubber top coat has made it super, super shiny and super, super smooth. There's no lumps at all there, even where it's quite bulbous here and sort of lumpy. It's perfectly smooth with the top coat. So just remember to press the polish down onto the nail once you have transferred it from the water. And it's just about working out what works best in terms of your speed, your technique. Don't let it dry too much. And don't leave it when it's too wet because everything just gloops up. And the Q-tips or cotton buds are a really good idea, but remember to keep them super, super wet as you do it. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. If you have any comments or questions or technique questions with this, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. I will link the rubber top coat below. Other than that, I really didn't use anything special. Whatever you've got at home in terms of gel polish or regular polish, pretty much anything works. I did find that I used C&D, now what was it, Vinylux, that didn't work at all. And there was another one that I used that was, oh, it was a quick drying Sally Hansen one. I didn't find very good results with that either, but most of the stuff that I did use worked really, really well. It's just that speed you've got to work out. So thumbs up if you like the video, guys, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate your support, and I will catch you in your next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.